welcome back. It's your boy CrunchCraft coming back with another Minecraft video. We are on the CrunchCraft server. If you guys know Ace in my Discord, I guess he started up a server and here I am. At least I believe it's his. I could be wrong. Let me know. Anyway, so we're going to actually jump into this. We have plans for today. As you can see, I got a little bit of stuff going on. I'm trying to get iron. I've already died multiple times since I got on the server, but I need to get iron and stuff, and then we need to take a trip through the nether. So I already have planned where I'm building. I'm going to build in a mushroom biome, but in order to do that, because of how far away it is, I'm just going to travel through the nether and make a portal. So I need to get iron, then I need to get diamonds to start getting the obsidian to get out of here. So yeah, I'll bring you back in a sec. Alright guys, so I'm back. Had to do a few things, so this is a couple hours later. So we finally got some diamonds and everything going on. I have everything but the obsidian, so we're going to go get the obsidian real quick. We need the obsidian on us to make the nether portal on the inside of the nether to get back out, hopefully at the mushroom biomes. So, yeah. And which one was it? This one. Now, I have a bucket of water just in case there's any lava underneath this. Hold on. I'm not so good at my bow killing earth. Okay, there we go. So this guy, I'm just going to put here, like so. And we're going to pull out our pickaxe. Let's try to, oops, not. And we're going to need, I think it's 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 for everything but the corners. Oh wow, that really shot out. I wasn't expecting that. So, we're going to just gather our obsidian. Now, unfortunately, I don't have this enchanted. I don't even have enough levels to enchant. That's what I get for dying. Alright. Oop, get up. Hold on. Alright. Two. I don't want to give away too much of what I'm planning on doing, but I want to do a build in the mushroom biome just because less, have to worry about mobs and stuff like that. Just because I've never really actually played survival in a long time, so I really wish I had an efficiency 1 though. That would be nice. Or not efficiency 1, but an efficiency diamond pick. It'll make this so much faster. I'm sorry about the little squeaks here you hear in there. It's the chair I'm using. Alrighty. So on a side note, how's everybody been doing, especially with this whole COVID-19 thing going on? You guys staying safe out there? And personally here, not bad. Pretty much just staying home. Our only issue is they're saying it has nothing to do with it, not sure, but oil fields price per barrel went down. So I got laid off because of that, which kind of sucks, but it's oil filled. It happens. Hopefully I'll get back out there. They said I have a spot waiting for me once it does pick back up, which is great. So I have that to look forward to. But so now I have more time to record and spend time with the wife and the kids, and all that. I'm going to try to start streaming to Mixer as well, since Xbox only lets you stream to Mixer or I think Facebook it was. So I might start streaming to there and then I can download it after the fact and upload it. So I might be doing that. We started playing, me and my wife play Call of Duty 3 together on Xbox. I have it on PC as well, but her PC can't handle that game, so we have it on Xboxes to be able to play together, which is kind of nice. So I'll be trying to do some of that and stuff as well, and then just download it from Mixer and re-upload here for a video. So here we go. And I have jumped in the nether already once, so I've been here. And I don't have a bow yet. What are you doing in here? Okay. You're not mad because I killed the regular zombie, right? Okay. Alrighty. So, now we need to bring up our F3. Alright, so we're at negative 5, gosh darn. 17. Okay. So we gotta go to 161X and 1372Z. That's going up. Alright, there we go. This way. Let's go down. That's a weird generation right there. If only I had a Elytra, I could just fly through here and make it so much easier. Oh crud, we're pretty high up, huh? Yeah, we're at 81. Alrighty. Now, am I going the right direction? So that's going up. And that's going up. Okay, good. Alright. Oh, look, somebody else's nether portal. And I guess that looks like a chain. I don't know. God, what is this nether right now? So we're at negative. Oh, crud. I need to go that way. Oh, hey, look, a fortress over there. Do I have blocks on me? Oh, not enough. And I hear a ghast. Okay, let's check out where this one goes. And, oh, wait, it keeps going. Okay, but that's going in the negative, so I actually am going the wrong way. So I need to go that way, it looks like. Alright, so let's check this out real quick. I'll replace. I just want out of this nether portal. There. Some villagers, some doggies. Let's take off our F3 real quick so I can see. Whoa. Why did I hear redstone? That guy has a cool looking bow. I do need a bow. So, AFK Fisher, I'm guessing. Yep, AFK Fisher. Okay. Alright, so hopefully this guy has a bed. I'll just sleep over here. Sorry, dude. Gotta use your bed if you have one. I hope you have one. Yeah, it's Auto Fisher. Okay. AFK Auto Fisher or whatever. Guess you don't technically have to do it AFK style, but... Go in. Thank you. Alright. Go all the way to the top, because that's usually where the good stuff is, right? Oh, wow. Okay, so he's got this person's got a farm over there. Do you have a... There you go. Yeah, you do. Alright, so sleep this knot away, and I'll bring you guys back here in a second. Alright, guys, so I figured I'd bring you back. I had to go ahead and make my nether portal to get back to the overworld, because I was running out. I didn't have any more blocks to scaffold my way around. So came back to the overworld and decided to just run it, because I was actually kind of close. So and yes, I have a lot of stuff in my inventory. I want that redstone torch, believe it or not. Let's update our spawn point here. I went ahead and used the golden apple that are always in this chest to convert him, but he's taking forever to convert. Figured I get the achievement. So we're in a snow biome, and as you can see, our X and Y, we're getting there. We got to go to 1291, and then 10,973 on the Y. So yeah. Not always going down. This way. I'm hoping I come across oceans soon. If not, I could always pop back in the nether and then destroy the portal on that end and go more and then pop back out, and I can just do that. But it's going to leave obviously some portals every so often in the both worlds. So yeah. Oh, a ravine. How nice. Some iron. Not bad. I really want to get to where I'm going though. Get to where I'm going, build a small little starter shack, and call the episode there more than likely. I have no clue how long the episode's been going for. I won't know until I start editing all the clips together. I don't keep my recordings going and then just edit out the cuts and time frame. I actually stop recording and then start recording again once I get to where I'm going, or whatever, you know. So I have no clue how long I've been going for. That's one down. So I need to go over this hill basically. Rabbits! Should get a rabbit's foot, huh? It'd be nice to have some depth strider boots too. So I don't know how people do like those videos, like Mumbo for instance. He does he does these big old videos. I'm gonna check out this village while we're here. Just twin beds, nice. So go ahead and update our spawn point here. That's cool. Ooh, big one. This ain't bad looking. I mean, I still want my snowballs and a whole bunch of bread, which I'll take the bread, and yeah, I'll take the potatoes too. Snowballs can stay. You can keep your snowballs. That's it. Alright. So I love how they go running when you do that. Okay. So I'm just going to check out all the buildings, see if there's any lootsies in them. And yeah. Furnace, blue bed. I checked that one. Is there any more up on this hill? Yes, there is. There's two. One made out of blue ice. Can I harvest this, or do I need silk touch? I need silk touch. Yeah. Sorry, I just destroyed your home, dude. Oh, look at that ice. Or snow. Okay. Oh, he's got a Fletcher's table in here. I think that's what it's called, right? I don't know. Last time I really truly played Minecraft was back in, what version was I playing back then? 1.12, I believe. 1.12.2 was the last version I played in. I'll take the bread. Beetroot soup. I'm okay on that. Dude, can I? Thank you. I'd rather not be running in the nighttime. Alright. Sorry for kind of like kicking you out of your own house, buddy. But it was well needed. Alright. So there's some more that way. But I think there was more up this way too. Yeah. Hey dude. Nice little water thing. And I don't think there's going to be anything in this one either. No? Okay. Little cat. I'll go check this guy out real quick. There's a lot of stuff I can always get, like these. But I'll do that later on. Ooh, double door, huh? With like no room on the inside. Okay. That's awesome. Nice house, dude. Oh, I made that go down too far because of that. Oh well. So we still got a ways to go, obviously. Yeah. Alright, last ender pearl. Just cause, why not? I'm hoping it's an island and not attached. Because if it's attached, they can easily just walk from areas they can spawn into the mushroom biome. Which the whole reason of building a mushroom biome is so you don't have to worry about mobs and all that. I have no clue what the difficulty is. It should say somewhere on the screen, I believe. I think. I don't even know. Alright, so I'm going to keep running. I'll bring you guys back when I get closer. Well, that didn't take long. So welcome back, guys. I came up to an ocean, so I got to make me a boat real quick, and we'll get to sailing across this ocean. Boat. Really? So we're getting there. Are you serious? Crafting table made out of wood doesn't float? There we go. Alright. Off we go. At least this isn't like Ark, and when you hop in a boat, you get attacked. So, that's always nice. So if you guys have any suggestions for what type of base I should build, leave that down in the comments, and we'll see what we can do to get it done. And what you might want to see with this series, maybe some collabs. We could always try something like Abba Caving or something along those lines. I've never seen one floating before. Alright, let's... Nope. Not what I meant to do. There we go. Maybe some like ABBA caving or something. I don't know. I'm not so good at the whole caving side of things. It's like semi-floating. This is weird. Okay. I mean, we got a buried treasure map. I'll take the books. And is there anything I don't want? I can get rid of this one spectral arrow. Yeah, I don't really care about the gunpowder, the pumpkins, and stuff like that, so... Sorry. I was down there too long. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I've never seen one right up at the surface like that. That's so weird. Okay. Let's just hop in our boat and, keep going. I think I'm going to be the furthest out of everybody on the server. So that's going to be kind of interesting. Let's go to the left of the mountain here. Whoa, super speed. Oh, whoa, another one? I've never seen him spawn like that. That is so cool. Then again, I've never actually played this version of Minecraft, but I've watched a lot of videos, and it's kind of weird to see it like that. Take that book. I guess I can grab another buried treasure map. See. Yeah, it's pretty far off. But maybe we can get it. Who knows? Who knows? Okay. Oh ho ho! Beautiful. Okay, so what do I not need? I don't really care about a compost bin. Grab. You know what? The treasure maps can go. I don't even care. All of this I want. I can get a redstone torch easy. Alrighty. So I kind of need to go in yay direction, I guess. We still have a long ways to go. Look, there's another ship loading in up there, it looks like. I'm not going to worry about it since it's underwater. If I had depth strider boots, I would. But since I don't, I'm just going to ignore it. It's a good thing, as far as I can tell, it doesn't mess with your food when you're in a boat. But I could be wrong. Sorry any noises you're hearing in the background as well. Different biome. Okay. A coral reef off to the side there. Oh, another one on this side too. Okay, so we're gonna go around this. Hopefully it's not a solid landmass. Hopefully I can just boat on through, you know. There's another boat. Should we risk it? I'm gonna risk it. I wanna know what's in this one. Maps, empty map, but not really a necessity. I need air. I need air. Yep. Okay. And so far, it is looking like a solid landmass. Wonderful. Great. Awesome. Alright guys, welcome back. So this took a while. I kept dying and having to start my journey over again. But I have finally made it. Get back in the water, you. Get back in the water. Get back in the water. Dude. Get in the... Stupid. Ow! I was helping you. Whatever. So we finally made it to the mushroom biome. Sorry about that. Looks like we got an ice biome next to us, or ice glacier biome, sorry, next to us, which is kind of nice. So when we do get that silk touch, you know, we can get our ice from here, no problem. There's a couple wreckages along the way. I came in from this way. There's a weird big building over there I want to check out eventually. I don't know if we're going to do it on the flat part or up on one of the hills or something. I was kind of thinking on the hill, and I can have the base come down, you know. I'm leaving the boat here for now. And what I'm going to do is just quickly throw together a little hut. Just so that way I can, this is just to mark which way I came in from, so that way I know. And along the way I have a chest full of loot that I have to go back and get. Ooh, nice. So I was thinking this hill, maybe. A lot of the glacier biomes around, which is awesome, actually. But we won't have problems with mobs here except for the phantoms, because those will attack you if you don't sleep. But I'm thinking about leveling off the top of that tallest point there and putting the house up there. Looks like there's plenty of caveage around. There's something I've never seen before. So let's get our little starter hut thing built first. I was thinking maybe down to this level. I'll just level all this off. It's going to take a little bit, but for now, we're going to go ahead and just build a quick little thing. Let's just throw that down real quick. I need... Oh, that's for a trap chest. My bad. And if you can hear that in the background, that'd be our cats screaming for whatever reason. We have new kittens in the house, so... Grab 4 of those. There we go. That'll give us room to store our stuff. And then I'm just going to make a quick little hobble. And we'll go check out that building. This is just a real quick hobble. This is going to be destroyed later. I just want a little bit of safety. I mean, I don't have to worry too much just because the biome we're in, but better safe than sorry. And I ended up not taking another here. All right. So we got our area all ready to go. Let's pull our bed down and put a couple torches up here, just so that way there is some light. Okay, apparently that's too low. Let's fix that real quick. Alright. There we go. Alrighty. Now, well, respawn point set. I need a door, and I should have brought more wood with me, but Yeah. It happens. It happens. Thought I had more on me, to be honest, but I guess not. And I need Silk Touch to harvest the mushrooms. But I can plant them. If I get a regular mushroom and use my... let's see what this thing is. If it has anything we could loot for our build. Matter of fact, we might be able to actually just commandeer this one and make it ours. It is in a mushroom biome. Some mycelium, some glowstone, some gold. Okay, cool. Oh, hey. Turn up. Hold on. Up first. Some books, some scoot. So if I want to make a helmet, I can. You know, I might actually just make this our little starter hut. I mean, ooh, diamond horse armor. Nice. Because, I mean, for the most part, we have what we need in here. So I'll probably just make this our temporary base of operations. Yeah. So let's pull this guy up real quick. And, yeah. Anyways, guys, so I'm going to just turn this into the base. And, yeah. Alright. I'm just going to throw this all in here. And yeah, this is going to be our temporary little hut base. I'll bring the bed over and all that stuff. I'll probably put the bed up here if I can. Okay. I'll put the bed there, I guess. Alrighty. And this will be, yeah, like I said, just our temporary thing until we get over there done. So anyways, guys, thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye!